I'm Jarmo Haaplainen from Finland, Nordic Investment and Landing Services. We have a wide portfolio of companies. We've been investing with Dr. Rana and bringing those companies here to UAE and to the Nokia Siemens networks, then New York venture capitalists since 2018. So because of the reason I have the Nokia hat and VC hat, basically all the bankers are calling me, hey, would you like to have a look on this and that? So we've been selecting this gentleman in the white shirt, he's a watch manufacturer. Martin, if you stand up for a second. So he's making some of the best watches in the world, and we are bringing his here also to UAE. I brought also with me 1,400 experts of experience of that. So we are looking forward to get these companies who are highly ESG compliant. We know a lot of stuff in Finland from the energy efficiency. We know in the world. That has to be, of course, proven. Then the patent portfolio has to be strong, that you are able to protect your business as well. Many guys have 2-3 diplomas from US, UK, Switzerland as well. But I want to have their mindset that we are making a true contract to be supported for these Finnish companies landing to UAE on their...
Thank you, Jarmo. So what he is going to do, he is going to give us the fourth aspect. So I will request Mr. to come here and give his project